Hello dear students, welcome back to a new channel. Students, today we have two news articles. A volcano in Hawaii that has erupted 31 times since December, and then a surprising news story about water and how staying hydrated may actually protect you from stress. Now, for the first news article, imagine you are standing on an island in the Pacific Ocean and the sky is painted orange and you hear loud sound like a jet engine or giant ocean, and then whoosh, there's glowing lava shoots 300 meters into the sky. Now this is not a movie scene, students, it's real life, and it is happening on Hawaii. Hawaii is part of which country? US. Okay, so the mountain Kilauea has erupted for the 31 times since December, and that's a lot है ना. 31 times मतलब लास्ट दिसंबर से अभी तक 31 times erupt हो चुका है. So this make it one of the most active volcanoes in the world. Now, why does this mountain erupt so often? The question is this. See, here's the science part. Deep inside Earth, there's something called magma. Yes, we have learned that in mentorship class. We have magma. Magma is what? Magma is molten rock and it is mixed with gases. So it's like a fizzy soda bottle under pressure. Now, over time, of course, gas will build up and this will push magma upwards through the narrow pipes inside the volcano. Okay, it pushes it upwards. And at some point, what happens? The pressure will become too much. Okay, and then the magma, it bursts out as lava fountain. Here, as you can see, lava fountain. So it's similar to shaking a. So you might have done that. You shake a soda bottle, and then you open the cap, and then what happens? Okay, the soda comes out of it, right? So this is similar to that, but only it is much hotter. Now, is it dangerous? Well, students, luckily these eruptions are happening inside the summit crate, meaning that there are no homes are threatened. But scientists and visitors, they get a front row seat at Hawaii volcanoes. And here's something amazing. Native Hawaiian tradition, जो वहाँ के लोग हैं, लोकल लोग हैं, वो क्या कहते हैं कि crater is home to Pele. Pele matlab the volcano goddess. And for many locals, eruptions are not just science, they are also deeply connected to culture and mythology. Right? तो ये सारी चीजें हैं, and this is the fourth time in 200 years that Kilauea has erupted repeatedly like this. पहले क्या था? पहले भी eruption हुआ है, but eruption कब हुआ था? 1983 में, 1959, 69, 1983 में तो it erupted 44 times over 3 years. Right? Now, why does it matter? Students, volcanoes look scary, right? But they are quite important for Earth. लावा से क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? जब लावा बाहर निकल कर आता है, when lava comes out of the land, okay, and it solidifies, and then it creates new land. It adds nutrients to soil, and it also shows us how Earth's interior work. And scientists, they study these eruptions to predict future volcanic activity, जिससे जो लोग हैं वो safe बने रहें. Right? अब हम स्टूडेंट्स दूसरे आर्टिकल की तरफ जाएंगे. Just remember the few facts that are related to this mountain. Okay. Now, yes, hydration. Now, most of us, we know that we should drink water, right? But here's something new. If you don't drink enough water, your stress can actually get worse. अब रिसर्चर्स ने क्या पता लगाया है? Researchers tested healthy young adults and divided them into two groups. One group drank less than 1.5 liters per day. The other group drank the recommended amount. Recommended amount is what? It's roughly between 2 liters for women and 2.5 liters for men. Okay. So this is the recommended. इतना तो होना चाहिए, इतना तो पीना चाहिए. Now, after a week, both groups did a stressful task: public speaking and mental health. And guess what? The low water group had much higher level of cortisols. They had much higher level of cortisols. Cortisols क्या है? These are stress hormone. Okay. तो जिस ग्रुप ने कम पानी पिया था उस ग्रुप का कॉर्टिसोल्स हायर था, मतलब स्ट्रेस हार्मोन हायर थे. सो व्हेन यू डोंट ड्रिंक इनफ वाटर, योर बॉडी releases a hormone called vasopressin. Vasopressin. And it helps your body save water, but it also makes your brain more sensitive to stress. Okay, इससे बॉडी क्या होता है? पानी सेफ, बॉडी में जो वाटर है वो सेफ तो होता ही है, लेकिन उससे स्ट्रेस के अगेंस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव हो जाता है. सो इट्स लाइक योर बॉडी सेइंग आई एम थर्स्टी, आई एम पैनिकिंग. So this double burden can over time lead to serious health problems like heart disease or even diabetes if it is ignored. Right? और क्या सरप्राइजिंग फैक्ट्स और भी मेंशन इस न्यूज़ आर्टिकल में? देखो स्टूडेंट्स, जो लोग पानी कम पीते हैं, द पीपल हु वर अंडर हाइड्रेटेड didn't even feel thirstier. Okay, their urine was darker, which slowed dehydration. So there isn't always the best indicator. A quick check is, how would you know that if you are dehydrated or not? If your pee is pale yellow, you are hydrated. If it's dark, drink more water. Okay, now in the comments below, you're going to tell me how many glasses of water do you drink daily. Okay, and you will also tell me, do you think that you drink enough? Okay, how many glasses of water, and do you think you drink enough? These are the two questions of which of whose please answer these questions in the comments below. All right, now water and stress in life. See, staying hydrated is one of the easiest ways to help your body manage stress. Okay, it's free, it's simple, and it helps your brain work better. वाटर से सबसे ज्यादा इजी, वाटर से सबसे क्या ही होगा, है ना? तो वाटर, of course, it isn't a magic stress cure. You still need good sleep, exercise, healthy food, social connection. पर जो हाइड्रेशन है ना स्टूडेंट्स, हाइड्रेशन इज अ पावरफुल अंडर अप्रिशिएटेड एलाई. अब अगर हम कुछ टिप्स की बात करते हैं, तो जैसे टी हो गया, मिल्क, फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल, इट ऑल्सो काउंट टूवर्ड्स हाइड्रेशन. एंड द की इज टू स्टे कंसिस्टेंट. देखो सबकी बिजी लाइफ हो जाती है, आपके भी एकेडमिक्स के बियॉन्ड भी आपके को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज हैं, राइट? सो इन आवर बिजी लाइफ, स्मॉल चॉइसेस लाइक ड्रिंकिंग इनफ वाटर कैन मेक अ बिग difference, and it will be helpful for both physical as well as mental health, right? So students, that will be all. आज हमने क्या सीखा? सबसे पहले we learned about earth's fire and life's water. So this volcano, which is in Hawaii, it shows how powerful and alive our planet is. And then we learned how staying hydrated, it helps our brain and body handle stress in a better way. So next time you drink a glass of water, think of it as giving your brain a little shield against stress, right? तो ऐसे आप सोच सकते हो कि आप अपने बॉडी को स्ट्रेस के अगेंस्ट एक शील्ड प्रोवाइड करा रहे हो। दैट मच ऑफ, इसीलिए इतना ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है हाइड्रेशन। So that's all for today's episode, students. Stay curious, stay hydrated, and keep exploring the wonders of world. Bye bye.